So we are going to find the mean of these different packets of sweets. So we're going to take each type of sweet and see how many of each that we have. So to find the mean or the average of our packets of sweets, the first thing we need to do is add up how many packets we have all together. So once we've added up all our packets of sweets, which is 15, the second thing we need to do is to divide by how many types of sweets that we have. So we've got tropical fruits, cola bottles, Lucky Bears, sour worms and mini dinos. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of sweets. So we are going to do 15 divided by 5, which gives us 3. So the mean or average, because they both do the same thing, of our packets of sweets is 3. So to find the mode of our packet of sweets, we are looking for the packet that appears the most. So I'm going to go through all our packets and jot down the number of how many that we have, and then we'll see which appears the most. So our mode is the number that appears the most. So we've got 2 appears once, 1 appears twice, 3 appears 1, 2, 3, and 4 appears once, which means our mode is 3 as it appears 3 times. So this time we are going to find the median of our sweets, and the median is the number that appears in the middle when the numbers have been put in order from smallest to largest. So I like to remember median. There's an I in median and I in middle, so that's a wee tip that I like to remember it by. So what we're going to do is put all of the numbers of our sweets into order from smallest to largest, and then we'll find out what's in the middle. So next what we'll do is we're going to find what number is in the middle. I like to cross off a number from each side, but it's just whatever way you prefer to do it. But I like to do it this way. So we can see that the number in the middle is 3. So our median is 3. So this time I am going to add in a little packet of Haribo, because I just want to show you what happens when there are 2 numbers in the middle. So we've got our Haribo and we've got 1. So just like last time, I am going to put the numbers in order from smallest to largest. And just like last time, I'm going to take a number off each side. So you can see that this time we are left with 2 numbers in the middle. So we've got 2 and 3. So if this happens, the median is the number that's in between these 2 numbers. So the number that's in between 2 and 3 would be 2.5. So that means our median is 2.5. So this time we are going to find the range, and that is the largest subtract the smallest. Our range is the largest, which is 4, subtract the smallest, which is 1. So 4 take away 1 equals 3. So our range equals